The DJI Mimo app provides rich creative functions, allowing you to take full control over shooting details and unlock more possibilities for your experience with DJI Pocket 2. Connect DJI Pocket 2 to your smartphone with the smartphone adapter, and the DJI Mimo app will launch automatically and display the camera view of the gimbal. You can slide up and down on the right side of the interface to choose shooting mode. Tap the flip icon to switch the camera between facing forward and backward. Tap the recenter icon to recenter the gimbal. Tap the shutter button to start or stop taking photo or video. Frame the subject, and the gimbal will enable Active Track to follow the subject. You can tap the gimbal settings icon and select Slow Follow or Fast Follow, and choose between Tilt Locked, Follow, and FPV mode. Tap the playback icon to preview photos and videos as soon as they are captured. Move the virtual joystick left and right to control the pan axis, and up and down to control the tilt axis. Tap the back icon once to return to the main interface. Tap the quality icon to set shooting parameters. Tap the settings icon to adjust various parameters in the current shooting mode. You can also enable the Pro mode to perform more settings. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.